What's up, guys? I'm about to eat some of this right here. Some big soup noodles. Yeah.
I'm gonna make a jelly sandwich. No.
Mhm.
Cereal. And tomorrow I'm gonna eat those breakfast.
You can't eat nothing after 10 o'clock.
That's what she said.
The lady told me that.
Yeah. She said they'll be there by 8. 3 hours, 10, 15 minutes.
Yeah, for the blood work.
She said they're fast. I said, okay, I'll tell my boss.
Did you tell her what happened to my first lab work?
No, I don't know that. But I know because they come through. And you know I was supposed to fast.
You know, you just went that dumb.
Like the dumb Chicano. Latino.
The dumb flea bags.
Hispanic.
Don't act like you're not educated.
Non-educated.
Non-educated.
If you're not educated, you didn't go to, you didn't finish high school.
Yes, I did.
Well, don't
So
act
then
like
you are.
Don't act like it.
I'm just acting dumb. I'm an actor. I'm a good actor.
Well, they're gonna give you a good actor.
They're gonna put you in a mental institute.
So
Is
what's
this
in
too
there?
good?
Okay.
Nothing in here, just this.
Oh.
Just be clean in a good bag. Don't throw my water away. I'm going to bed after I eat this.
Okay.
I'm tired.
I don't have to make no more, right?
Oh.
No, I'm full with here.
Me too. I'm getting full of this.
You did good, man.
You did terrible.
That's why I said, if we didn't have too many car payments, we'll be buying stuff to eat.
Almost. Yeah, we're almost there.
Every day, man, every day.
Not every day. You're gonna get fat. You need to skip a day.
Every day.
You're gonna get fat. You need to skip a day. Like one day you go out, the next day you're not. The other day, the next day after that you go. You gotta skip a day, or you're gonna black out. I'll skip a day whenever I go eat. I mean, sometimes I go every day.
And then I was there for a file, in the file box down in the office.
Uh-huh.
Elizabeth was there and Rosie.
You were there?
And then Elizabeth told me, how's the file going? Oh, it's going bad. What's going on, Dad? Didn't find it? Hard to find out.
Don't tell her that, because she's going to be saying bad to what's his name.
What?
Don't tell her it's going bad.
Why?
What's going bad?
So she might turn around and tell that to Russell.
Oh. What? What, you going to run back and rip me or what?
Yep.
No,
He's
I mean,
gonna
so
wait.
they
He's
don't-
gonna.
So they don't change you, viejo. Because you're not out there in the heat.
Hey, I can only do what I can only do. I don't know. I'm not.
I know. But I'm just saying, you don't have to tell her that, all that.
You're gonna piss them off and go, you know what? We're gonna put you in the drive again. Don't be doing that.
Until that's 3 out of 3. Let's help the American Cancer Society finish the fight. Come on! Dentures are very different to real teeth. They're about 10 times softer. They may have surface pores where bacteria can multiply. Pollen kills 99%
After I put half in a pile up already,
and bacteria and
that's
helps
the
dissolve
goal.
stains. So dentures are cleaner,
And
fresher,
then I rearrange everything.
They put them back outside. So he's the only one doing the files.
The supervisor came upstairs with one. He brought another table and a small one made of wood for the computer. They're gonna put a computer soon. And then I heard the guy talking to the supervisor, top woman, Ron. He put that downstairs, I'll do the file faster.
Mira qué cabrón.
He said, damn right, he's gonna do nothing fast. So you mean you took, you want a bucket?
This was shown over a 6-month clinical study. Tulare contains hormone, which increases the risk of death from asthma problems and may increase the risk of hospitalization in children and adolescents. Tulare is not for people whose asthma is well controlled with a long-term asthma control.
I know him.
Once your asthma is well controlled,
He's not gonna be working hard like me.
stop Tulare.
Give me better.
Asthma control medicine.
Oh, you're gonna get it.
Get it.
Do not take Tulare more than prescribed. See your
Put down these on the tomatoes.
I like tomatoes, but I don't like it when they drop.
Put it back in.
No. Something's gonna fall. Fall.
Next, an attention-grabbing sign offers $1,000 for the ID and arrest of a vandal. Plus, how a wounded veteran was given a new home on the eve of his retirement ceremony. Steve Brown updates us with his forecast. It's all next on KSAT 12's 6 o'clock news. And finally tonight here, the California husband and father who thought he had 2.5 minutes left to live. And when you see this, you'll understand why. That's Craig Stapleton jumping with his parachuting partner, Katie. Part of a practice run testing their new flag stunt. You see their proud American flag there, and you can hear them. Exhilarated by the jump. But it would soon go wrong. She breaks away. He struggles. At first going 90 miles per hour from 8,000 feet up. Too fast for the stunt. He flips, unable to break away from the flag. His parachute tangled.
I pretty much figured I was dead. I was thinking about my wife and kids and what was going to happen to them. I was just really sorry that I wasn't, there to say goodbye to them.
He begins to spiral, finally cutting away from that flag, trying to unleash his backup parachute. But that one gets stuck in the first parachute. He had 2.5 minutes before hitting the ground.
At some point, you just say, this is where I'm going to land. This is how I'm going to land. I'm going to do the best I can to brace for that impact, and hope to God I survive.
He told me today he braced himself in a ball, a C formation, pulling his legs up to his chest, hoping to roll when he hit the ground. And he hit hard.
I don't know how much of a roll it was. It just sounded like a thumb to me. I hit pretty hard.
At the hospital, x-rays, MRIs, all showing nothing. It was just a little black and blue.
All right, Shayna, what are you gonna do?
Now, part of the same survivors club with Shayna Richardson, that young woman we saw fall from the sky back in 2005 in Arkansas. Parachute also tangled, she landed in a parking lot. At the hospital, they marveled she was alive. They also told her she was pregnant. The baby was fine. Today we called her and her son, now 7, Tanner, thriving.
7.
Graduated kindergarten at a 4th grade reading level. He skipped the 1st grade, soaring like his mother. Like Craig Stapleton, too, who tonight tells us someone, something, is watching over him.
God, Buddha, Allah, baby Jesus, guardian angel,
Buddha.
somebody was watching out for
He
me.
said Budo.
There's
Yeah,
no
the
question
Buddha's-
someone was watching out for Craig. It's so great to see Tanner.
No, he
Savoy
called
step
God
up
Buddha.
all these years later. Nightline coming your way later tonight for Diane Sawyer and
He
all
was
of you.
lucky.
Thank you for watching. I'll see you
The
later.
angels were holding him.
Yeah. 18 hours. What can you do?
Scary from a big place crashing through the windshield.
At 85 miles per hour to huge pilots.
The GPS nearly leaving you dead in the desert. Friday, 2020's The Highway Confidential at 10 on E! KSAT 12. Home, KSAT.com. KSAT 12's 6 o'clock
It's
news.
good. Eat the whole thing?
Right now.
Oh, I was hungry.
Brian Mylar, Steve and Ursula are off today.
We start tonight with what appears to be a newborn baby dropped off at a southeast side fire station. According to fire officials, the woman who left the baby appeared to be the baby's mother. Marisa Mendoza is live after.